The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6 is going to be happening in just a few weeks away, but the leaks are not stopping. 2 days earlier, there has been a leak regarding the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy unit, or you can say prototype units, and they have confirmed few of the updates about the design of both the devices. Well, basically, if you look at the images that has been shared by 9 to 5 Google and Sony Ericsson, which give us a pretty much good idea what the design of both the devices is gonna be. So the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is going to be coming with a similar kind of a design as the Galaxy Z Fold 5. You see the camera housing is going to be similar as the previous models, triple camera sensor on the back side, and we see that there has been rumors regarding the update of the outer display, which is going to be a little bit wider as compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and most credible leakers like the Ice Universe has pointed out that the outer display is going to be wider, which again can be seen on the dummy unit as well. One of the things that also been rumored that the titanium frame is going to be coming. They kind of look like the S24 Ultra titanium frame, so hoping that it's going to be available for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. And if the leaks about the titanium frame are going to be true, then definitely the titanium frame foldable device will be the first one in the market. Anyhow, in the same image, you will notice that there has been in a display and it shows us a crease, which I don't believe that this is going to be the crease situation for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Since this is a prototype device, so definitely Samsung will be improving the final product and we see less crease on the internal display of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. And in this image, you will see that we have the same fingerprint sensor mounted on the side power button, and we have a new color of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in black, and on the back of the device in the hinge department, Samsung logo has been kind of different as compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. But this is a prototype, so we can't say surely that whether it's going to be Samsung's strategy to use that particular logo or not. Now, if you look at this image, you will notice that the hinge has been improved and the closing of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might be appearing to be flat, which is going to be a good approach in the hinge department. And there has been plenty of rumors about the crease improvements are expected to see in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Moving on towards the other images about the Galaxy Z Flip 6, you will notice that there hasn't been any big difference between the Galaxy Z Flip 6. We might actually going to see similar kind of a design language for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Yes, the internals are going to be improved and we can expect to see the improvement in the hinge department as well. Other than that, we don't expect to see a big improvement in the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Internally, both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6 are coming with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which is going to be the special variant for the Galaxy devices. And there has been a Geekbench listing which showcased that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 processor are going to be faster than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. To be honest, I don't believe these Geekbench listing just because the fact that they are not accurate, and Samsung will be improving their software and we might actually see in real life scenario the score will be different. And guys, to be honest with you, I really think that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Z Flip 6 might be coming with slightest of the improvement, but not the major improvements that we are expecting. The camera sensor are going to be pretty much same as the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Yes, we might actually see an improvement in the ultra wide or the telephoto lens. Other than that, there is no big improvement coming for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Z Fold 6. One leak has also reported that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 might be expensier than the last year model, and you could end up paying $100 extra for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is again not justifiable for that particular foldable devices. And guys, the launch is going to be happening in July 10 and it's literally few weeks away from now. More leaks are expected to be coming for the Galaxy Z series, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.